In this video, I will show you how to add Google Maps in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Before adding a Google Maps, let's first add a blank section to work on. Now, to add a Google Maps to Hostinger builder, click on Add Element, select the map element and move it just like that. You can resize your map size just like that, place it where you want. And to edit the location of this map, click on Edit Map. Fill in your exact address here and it will be updated automatically. You can add an animation to your map, and besides that, you can also duplicate this map just easily, just like that. Or you can play with the map visibility on mobile and desktop, or delete this map element easily. And this is how to add Google Maps in Hostinger website builder.